Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add email to TikTok account. To add an email address to your TikTok account, open the TikTok app, tap profile in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu, then select settings and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on account. From here, tap on account information at the top. Then from here, select email and enter the email address you want to use. Then tap on continue. So TikTok will send a verification code to that email address. So you can then open your email inbox, find the code, and enter it in TikTok to verify. So once done, you can get updates or you can tap on no thanks. And that's it. So that's how you can add email to your TikTok account. Very simple. If you don't see the email option, make sure your TikTok app is updated. If your account is already linked to a phone number, you may need to verify the phone number first. Some accounts created through third party sign in methods like Google, Apple, Facebook, etc., may have slightly different account settings. If you can't access your account, you can also visit TikTok's Account Help Center by going to TikTok Help Center. Thank you for watching.